Hey, what's up everybody? My name's Jeff Joslin. I'm not Peter McKinnon, but I like his intro. Hey, today I'm going to be reviewing this little product here called the Foto Tech Remote Control. I'm going to use it with my Sony a7riii. I want to see if it can work. I didn't see anything on YouTube about it, so I'm going to do one myself. First one I've ever done, so check it out. So we're going to be unboxing the Foto Tech Remote Control. I think I got it off Amazon for about $9, $9.99 or something like that. Got it shipped quickly. So you see in here we got the little plastic container. It's very small, very compact. Oh, we got let's see if it's got a battery in it. Gotta check. Oh, great. One of those things where you gotta have fingernails, which I don't have fingernails. Where's my wife when you need her? No fingernails. Oh, there we go. That's a little bit, there's that battery. Yeah, there it is. All right, so nice. There's a 2-second delay on it. Button, beep, beep. That was my sound effect. So, let's see what else is in the box. Oh, what is this string? Looks like something my wife would send me out to the store and get. Just kidding. Oh, it's a little bag. Isn't that cute? A little purse. Oh, it's a finger purse. Oh, yeah, a 2-finger purse. Oh yeah, I like that. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, there we go. That was it. That's all I need. Let's go get this thing going. So, there's my Sony a7riii, my little toy. Turn on the power, and you're going to go under your menu button. You're going to scroll over to the toolbox. All right, get up. Yeah, there we go. Toolbox. Go down into your setup. I believe it's on page 3. 1, 2, 3, there it is down at the bottom, remote control. Flip it on. That's pretty simple. And then we're ready for action. That's right. So let's take some pictures. All right, behind the camera, just clicking it. Got the Rotolight Neo 2 there. Thanks to Jason Lanier and his 10% discount. Oh yeah, there's got my little garage set up for now, my little makeshift studio. So let's check it out. Click. Yep, there it goes. There are a couple of pictures that I took with that set up there, and with the Rotolight Neo 2. Got it synced up. A couple more pictures. It did have a little delay when I was hitting that button, but then finally I think it caught up and it started clicking pretty quickly. And yep, got some more pictures. Now I got my model in here. Oh, she's my favorite girl. She comes over anytime I need her. She's nice, a little old-fashioned, but hey, you know, I like her. She's got some nice glasses. I couldn't get my hand inside of her. Get your mind out of the gutter. Yeah. And so, you ready to take some pictures? All right, yeah, she's ready. Let's work it. Work it, baby. Oh, yeah. There we go. Yeah. See, now it's working quicker. Yeah, let's work it, baby. Feel like Zoolander. Oh, yeah. Yep. Ooh. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Get sexy. Oh yeah. Get jiggy with it. Ooh. How about a kiss, baby? How about a kiss? Oh, not that. Oh, she slipped me the tongue. Oh. So there you have it. My first review of that product I needed for my Sony a7riii. And I want to thank Jason Lanier, Peter McKinnon, my YouTube heroes, Steve Huff. Camera I was using was the Sony a7riii with the 2470 G Master lens and that Neo 2 light that I did get from Rotolight. And thanks to Jason Lanier, I got 10% off on that thing and had a little softbox on it, and it works great. And got the synchronization worked well on that thing, so I can use it as a flash if I need it. So hey, thanks for checking it out. Hope it helped. It helped me. If you like this channel, subscribe and do a couple of web series later on, and hope you'll enjoy. Check out my other videos that are on here as well. All right, thank you.